Y'all, I finally did it. I finally got a puppy.
Dice is on the beat.
Hi guys, this is my new puppy Birkin. Say hi, Birkin. Oh, he's so cute, right? So I got him on, oh shit, hold up. I got him on Sunday. He is a YorkiePoodle. And he's super little, y'all, like, look at him. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. 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 Say I'm cute and I know it. Say I'm cute and I know it. Yeah, I'm cute and I know it. Y'all, it's only been maybe like Sunday. Thursday. It's only been 4 days. And he has like, he's not perfect, let me say that. But he definitely has learned where he's supposed to pee and at. When he first got here, sorry y'all, I'm out of breath. When he first got here, he was taking mad shits in his cage, and I'm like, bruh. So I figured I'll put him in this corner because there's a lot of light over here, is right by the window, and I have a camera right there, so when I'm at school I can watch him. So yeah, potty training is going pretty well. Like yesterday, y'all, so I had 2 little pads right here, one underneath this one and then this one over here. And he used it, like he used it all day. Like he didn't poop in his cage while I was at school. Like he just strictly used the pad, and I let him out because I'm like, he been in here all day, so it's cool. I'm gonna let him out and let him roam around and chill for a little bit. Why I do that? Okay, first of all, he was out walking around sniffing, so I'm like, he good because he took mad shits today. Like he shouldn't be due for a shit until after I feed him, right? Wrong. Y'all, this nigga walked around, took a shit on my rug right over here where this cap is at. I'm like, okay, you got me fucked up. I put him right back over here, put him right back in this corner, and I let him sit there for like an hour maybe, and then I let him back out. Y'all, what he do? Yes, he took a shit right next to the last shit he took. So I'm like, yo,
No way.
so I put him in his cage, right? He was crying and shit, so I left him in there for like maybe 30-45 minutes while I took a shower and, you know, did my thing. Took him out, y'all. He was doing well. He was doing good for like an hour, a couple hours. He was out, he was just chilling, he was in his little bed, and you know, everything was going good. I was like, okay, good, he not gonna shit again. Wrong answer. This boy took a whole massive watery shit on my floor right next to the second shit he took. Thank God it was on my floor. I got hardwood floor, so it was easy to clean up. But that was it. Like after that, it was maybe like, I want to say it was like 6 o'clock. After that, his ass was sitting right over here till the next morning. This morning, I was like, It's like when he's in here, he does everything he's supposed to do. He'll pee over there, he'll take a poop over there, and I think it's cause like he got too many poops and pees over there. He don't want to do it, but he won't poop or like pee anywhere else. But when he get out here and get to rumbling around and shit, running around, y'all, and for some reason he is in love with this rug, first of all. Second of all, he loved walking under here. As y'all can see his toy right there. He loved being under this table. And it be making me nervous because I'd be like, if he shit under this table, we gonna be beefing. Period. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, is he peeing? Are you peeing? Yay! You did it! Good boy! Peanut. Peanut. Oh, I'm just kidding. Oh, shit. What's wrong with you? I need to vacuum this floor. Who's that? Who's... What you doing? What that boy doing? What he doing? What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, he ready to play because he been asleep all day. You so cute. You so cute. Yeah, that boy. That's a good boy. You guys should have seen the little teddy bear I got him. Well, actually, my ex gave it to me, but I'm giving it to him because I don't know. He can use it more than I can. He been cuddle up with it all day. I think that's his favorite toy right now because he's not playing with the other ones. Disrespectful. Disrespectful. Hi, cutie. Cutie pie, cutie pie, cutie pie, cutie pie, cutie pie. Hey. Hey, bro. Hey. 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 Y'all, he just be ignoring out of me. Like, dead ass. I feel like he's looking for a spot to take to. Big boy. And it's always in this area or in my room. I knew he was about to pee on my floor. Boy. He's so lazy. Get up. Do y'all see this attitude? Like, I cannot. Oh my god. Get his ass. Yeah. 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 Sorry if there's a lot of like background noise. I'm outside and I'm up really high so I can hear everything. Y'all, having a dog is like, no lie, like the first 3 days I was like, somebody needs to come get this fucking dog because he doing a lot. Y'all, I was ready to give Birkin back, like for real. He kept peeing on my floor. Yesterday he on my floor 3 times. He doing too much. Say hi. Say hi. He's not feeling y'all right now, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and meeting Birkin. He is going to be a part of our family now. He is so cute, y'all. Like, so if you guys have any suggestions, advice, or anything you want to mention to me about having a puppy and stuff like that, please leave some comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and like this video if you haven't already. And I will see y'all in my next video.
Dice is on the beat.